Friends, I'm back. This is December Daily 2024. Today I am working on day 26 and 27, and there probably won't be a day 28 because it's just pictures that I've already done up, although we'll see. I think the back has still a couple of things to be decorated. So off camera, I grabbed this very old package of rub-ons, and I did that part off camera because you just never know with rub-ons. So I added them in a couple of different places. I grabbed some not some stickers. I grabbed my stamps. I did grab some stickers on this side and some little labels and tags. The flat back green gems are on my desk. There's some washi. So yeah, I will put you on fast forward while I finish this one up. I'm in the home stretch for this album now, folks. I do actually end up having 2 pages left. They're one of those pages that's got like, I think it's 12 teeny tiny little 2x2 squares. And one of the sides is completely done, and the back is mostly done. So there will probably be one more video, but it won't be a very long one. Yeah, I'm just kind of grabbing some of the little things on my desk. Those rub-ons were horrible. I hate rub-ons. They were just kind of sitting in my December Daily kit, and I figured, what the heck, see if I can use them up. And I didn't honestly know what to do to fill these little 2x2 squares. I love these little layouts, but I think I'm just so mentally exhausted with all of the Christmas things that it was really hard for me to finish these 2 little pages off. This is also, I don't know, the 3rd video I think I'm uploading today. But I'm so close. I'm just kind of feeling like I want to power through. I may not do another one today because it's getting quite late in the day. But I would like to finish off both my Project Life 2024 album and my December Daily 2024 album this weekend. So it's actually a long weekend here, so I'm hoping to get those 2 things done tomorrow, and then I'll see if I can figure out what I'm going to be doing for 2025. I may revive my rainbow kit. We'll see. I'm just kind of stamping. You've seen me do this before with these little teeny tiny stamps, and I put them away off camera because I think I've said in a previous video they're a real pain in the butt to get back in that teeny tiny box in the right order. So I'm just putting the little last pieces of washi tape on my from my stamp block on these little squares, and I'll be moving on to the other side. Off camera, I also did my journaling on that little 3x4 printable card. This is a very busy layout, but that's okay. I was determined to use whatever was left on my little stamp block, so because I think I said the next 2 pages are not going to be very embellishment heavy. They're already very photo heavy, so I want the photos to kind of be the star. Just grabbing some little pieces. These I think were from a Tim Holtz ephemera pack from, I don't even know how long ago now. I'm mixing and matching pieces from this kit, so. But as I said before, I have so much left. It's crazy. I'll probably end up having December daily pieces for quite a while. So I guess that's another good reason to keep doing it. See if I can power through all my stickers and everything else. I may actually make some embellishment clusters or something, because some of the pieces, especially from these 2 sticker pads, were quite big, and I don't know if I would use them otherwise. Just gluing some little odds and ends down. And I'm looking for something small. Yeah, like these are great little 1-inch circles, but there are all kinds of them, and I feel like in order to use them up, I would have to go and make some embellishment clusters, which is a project for not right now. I need this stuff off my desk and out of my space for a little while. Looks like I'm back to you live in just a moment. So day 26 and day 27, all done. Getting caught up feels good. All right, as always, thanks for coming to hang out with me, and I will see you next video. Bye for now.